Hi, Phil Winder here. I've just implemented a new feature to integrate Code Intelligence with our agents, and I just want to show you how it works. So we've got our Code Intelligence demo agent here. So let's just go ahead and actually ask it some questions. So I'm going to ask it about some code related to one of the repositories that's currently indexed in our organization, and it's answering my question. Another thing I can do is just ask it more general questions about what are the code bases that are currently indexed and stuff. Yeah, just telling me that we've got one repository indexed at the moment. So really nice little feature, because this allows us to ask questions of our code bases without having to nag the developer. So let me show you a little bit more about how it works. Well, first off, we've got a repository indexed in our organization. By default, when you enable the Code Intelligence tool, it will read and index all of the repositories that are currently in your organization. So the more you add here, the more it'll have at its disposal. We can see that it's already indexed because we've got a Code Intelligence pill there to tell us that it's enabled, and also we've got a status saying it was indexed 2 minutes ago. Now we can go to our agents and we can have a look at the configuration. The key thing is we need to have the multi-turn Helix agent turned on, and then we need to browse to the skills directory and enable Code Intelligence. That's this one here. Simple, one-click enable, and that's it. Then it'll work. You can imagine some of the cool use cases that we could implement here. Maybe dig into what's going on here. We've got a little kind of status. It's kind of like a status pill, but it's got a nice little icon. It's just telling us the tools that are being used. So the implementation of this is actually using the same MCP server that the agents use in Helix Code. So you can see that it's trying to read the wiki and learn about the repository, doing some semantic search, and all right, I'll stop there. Cheers, thanks, bye.